Want to create your very first iOS app, but not sure where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Let's get started. In this tutorial, we will create the functionality that will increase the ball's speed each time when the game moves to the next level. So the first thing we need to do is navigate to line 362, and then add the following: for I in balls indices. So we're looping through the balls array, balls I, which is the index velocity dot width times equals 1.2. So what that does, it increases the ball horizontal speed by 20%. Balls velocity height 1.2, and that increases the ball's vertical speed by 20%. And then to make the game a little bit more harder, we reduce the paddle width by 10%. The next function we need to implement is called reset ball and paddle, which resets the ball and paddle position for a new level after losing a life. Balls equals ball position CG point. We need the XY overload past 200, 400. Velocity is CG size. We need the width and height overload. So width is 4 times by power for power 1.2 double level minus 1 And then for the height, that needs to be -4 times by power 1.2 double level -1. I think there's an error somewhere, missed out something. Just compile it again. So what we've done there, we just set the ball's position and velocity, scaling velocity based on the current level. The next thing we need to do is to set the paddle's position and size based on the current level. We need the X, Y, width, height overload. X is 150, Y is 500, width is 100 times by power 0.9 double level -1, and then height is 20. There's an error on line 373. Missed out something. It must be double level so that's power open bracket 0.9 comma let's compile it again. Want to build your own Connect 4 app? Now you can. Download the free source code and start building today. The link is in the description below. Set up a Patreon to help upgrade my equipment. I'm aiming for a new MacBook Pro, which costs £4,000, to improve video editing and audio quality for better tutorials. If you'd like to support, the link is in the description. Thank you so much. We next need to set magnet active equals false to disable the magnet power up effect, and also we need to reset the control scheme to normal. Another method we need to create is called restart game. There's private func restart game in size, which accepts a CG size. Game over equals false. Score equals 0. Lives equals 3. Level 1. Power ups, removal all. Remove all the particles. And then reset the ball and paddle, and call setup bricks. So that sets up the bricks for the first level using the given screen size that we pass in, which is size. And then we just call our game loop. On lines 284, we need to call the method that we implemented, which is reset ball and paddle. Also on lines 139, we need to call the reset game method. Reset game. What did we call it? Reset game or something else? I mean restart game, that's what it should be. So we just pass in geometry, dot size, just compile it. And now we can try to run the game to see if it works or not. And there's something else that I missed out. We have to go into the content view. And what we need to do, we need to call breakout view on lines 100, on lines 12. So breakout game view. So the view gets shown at the start. Edges, ignore safe area, all. Still waiting for the game to run. Let me try it again. As you can see, this is the game in action. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.